You copied files from a Mac, and now this file is everywhere. It's junk. It just stores the folder icon position for the Mac. You can safely delete it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain why it keeps coming back. I always keep a magic software utility on standby for the toughest DS store files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. A DS store file is a hidden file that stores custom attributes of its containing folder, such as icon positions and view options on macOS. It helps the Finder display folders according to user preferences. While useful for maintaining a consistent user experience, these files can sometimes cause issues when shared across different operating systems or included in version control systems. These files are automatically created by the Finder in every folder it accesses. They contain metadata in a binary format, which is not easily human-readable. The structure includes information about the folder's view settings, icon arrangements, and other Finder-related attributes. They are typically hidden from view in the Finder, but can be seen using the terminal. The essential opener for the DS Store structure is macOS X Finder developed by Apple Inc. The system can open the file as plain text, but cannot apply its intended visual formatting. Windows shows only general attributes, so using the file meaningfully requires appropriate software. To bypass the file format error, right-click the DS Store file and choose Open With. Prioritize macOS X Finder if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file claim. If your DS Store file still refuses to open, stay calm. A format as specific as DS Store will always reject general methods. We must verify these key parameters on our checklist before attempting a guaranteed solution. First, recognize the file type. Understand that a DSL store file is a hidden metadata file created by macOS and should not be opened or deleted by the user. Next, hide the file. If the file is visible on Windows, use the folder options. View settings to ensure Hide Protected Operating System Files is checked. Finally, delete the file. If the file causes issues, use the macOS terminal command sudo find #name choc dsstore depth exec to safely delete all instances. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.